equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of changing the trigger and filter on your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. This maintenance task is crucial for keeping your vacuum running efficiently. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a replacement trigger and filter ready as well. Begin by unplugging your Dyson SV12 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure the device is completely off before proceeding. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull the back cover off to expose the internal components. Now, let's focus on the trigger. The trigger is usually held in place by a small clip. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry the clip away from the trigger. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding parts. Once the clip is removed, you can easily take out the old trigger. If you find this process a bit daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with any issues you may encounter. Now, take your new trigger and align it with the slot. Push it into place until you hear a click, indicating it's secured. Reattach the clip to ensure it stays in position. Next, let's move on to the filter. The filter is typically located near the motor. Remove it by twisting it counterclockwise. If it's particularly dirty, you might want to clean the area around it with a soft cloth before inserting the new filter. Insert the new filter by aligning it properly and twisting it clockwise until it's secure. This step is vital for maintaining the suction power of your Dyson SV12. If you're unsure about any of these steps, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just convenience. Once you've replaced both the trigger and the filter, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and replace the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tightened securely to avoid any rattling during use. Finally, plug your Dyson SV12 back in and test it out. You should notice an improvement in performance with the new trigger and filter in place. If you're still experiencing issues, remember we offer a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. And that's it. You've successfully changed the trigger and filter on your Dyson SV12. Regular maintenance like this will help extend the life of your vacuum and keep it running at peak performance. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.